Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the bobble stitch. Start by making a slip knot and then inserting your hook into that loop. And then chain your desired number of chains, and for this stitch, chain in multiples of 2 plus 1. So to start row 1, we're going to just work single crochets across. So in that second loop from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So continue working a single crochet in every chain across. Now I'm at the end of row 1, so chain 1, and now we're going to start working on the bobbles. You're going to yarn over, and in that first stitch, insert your hook. Yarn over and pull back through that stitch. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook again into that same stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and again insert your hook into that same stitch. Yarn over, pull back through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. And you should have a total of 4 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And that is your first bobble stitch. So in that next stitch, work 1 single crochet. And you can see that that single crochet sort of closes that bobble stitch, so you can see it on the other side. So in that next stitch, crochet another bobble stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook again into that same stitch, yarn over, and pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, into your hook again, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, and then a single crochet into the next stitch. Continue repeating, working 1 bobble stitch and then 1 single crochet stitch to the end of the row. I'm at the end of row 2, and you should end with a single crochet in the last stitch. So chain 1 and turn, and you can see the bobbles on the other side. In every stitch, work a single crochet. I'm at the end of row 3, so chain 1, and we're going to repeat row 2. So in that first stitch, we're going to work a bobble stitch. Continue repeating rows 2 and 3 until you reach your desired length. Alright, and this is what it looks like after several rows. As you can see, the bobbles This is one of my absolute favorite stitches. I think it is so fun and it creates a beautiful texture. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.